Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm so excited. We're going to give away two of these radios that you see on the screen there. There's where I did show number 1635, announcing that I had reached 3 million views, and that this year I'm going to try to go back to doing giveaways. I've got a lot of radios here that my sponsors have donated to me to do a review. These radios come from Iron Snow. I've done several reviews of their radios. They mainly do or have emergency radios, and this is just another emergency radios. And so about a week ago, I said I was going to give away a couple of these. They sent me several of these, and so we're going to give away this morning 2 of them. And I have more, so if you don't win this time, you could win another time. So instead of me babbling, let's go to random.org, which will generate a random number over here. And I have 22 people that said they were interested in entering the giveaway, and so I put them on a list and gave them my number, and we're going to let Random.org give me 2 numbers, and I will announce who those people are. And after that, you need to send me, if you're one of those 2 people, you need to send me a mailing address where I can send these radios. So here we go. Generate number 1, and it's now, is that weird? I said generate number 1 and it generated number 1. That is weird. I've been having a weird day today. Anyway, that is Radio Nut R. Radio Nut R has a similar YouTube channel to mine, and Radio Nut R, if you'll send me your address, I'll send you one of these radios. All right, let's do another one. This is I'm afraid to say this is number 2 because number 2 might come up, but I'm going to say this is number 2. Here we go. Generate 16. Okay, let me mark the other one. I forgot to mark it. So 16 is KT4NL. That's call letters KT4NL. If you will send me your mailing address, I'll get these out to you. I'll probably mail them since it's Saturday. I probably will mail them out as soon as Monday. And congratulations to the people who won these 2 radios. Like I said, Iron Snow was very nice to send me quite a few of these radios. So I'm going to have more giveaways in the future. Plus, I'm going to have other radios that I've reviewed. And what I do is the radios that I have been given or I bought that I don't think I'll have any more questions on, because it's pretty straightforward radio, those I will give away. The ones that, like, say the Texan PL660, I'm still getting a lot of questions on that radio, so I need it so I can answer those questions and try things that people ask me to try. So that's how it goes. Hope to do the many more of these giveaways. I appreciate all their support. I appreciate Iron Snow for sending me these radios to give away. He sent me an email like yesterday or the day before. He said he's got some new radios for me to review, so that's exciting. Let me take a breath here for a second. That's about it. Again, if you didn't win this one, there's going to be more that you can enter. Thanks everybody that entered, and everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.